So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once we're on this, we're going to scroll down and then click on volume mixer. Now you want to scroll down till you find NVIDIA container. Make sure that you have NVIDIA container turned up to 100 and make sure that this is not muted. Now you want to click on the drop down. Make sure that your output device and your input device are both correct. Choose the right option for yourself. You want to repeat this for everything that says NVIDIA for you. So you might also have NVIDIA App. Make sure that you turn that up and that's unmuted. And make sure that you have the correct output and input device selected. For the next step, you want to click on Alt-Z on your keyboard, which will now pull up this. Now once we're here, make sure that your microphone is set to always on. Now you want to click on Instant Replay. You want to turn off Instant Replay. I can't do it myself because I'm using it to record the video. Now once you turn off Instant Replay, you want to go back and then click on Settings on the top. Now you want to click on Audio. Make sure that you have your volume turned up to the max and your volume here also turned up to the max. And make sure that your source is correct right here. So you're going to click on the drop down and then choose your correct speakers or microphone. After you do all of that, we can now go back, click on Instant Replay, and you can now turn it on again. And this should now fix your problem.